Living in Clearwater means enjoying beautiful coastal views, sunny skies, and a laid-back lifestyle. However, it also means preparing for the hurricane season and protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by installing impact-resistant windows. These advanced windows offer a range of benefits that go far beyond weather protection. Here's why Clearwater homeowners should consider upgrading to impact-resistant windows. Superior storm protection. Hurricanes and strong storms are a fact of life for Clearwater residents, and standard windows often cannot withstand the force of high winds or flying debris. Impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to endure severe weather conditions. These windows feature a strong, shatter-resistant glass layer sandwiched between durable materials. If struck by debris, the glass may crack but will remain intact, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home. By installing impact-resistant windows, you can protect your family and belongings during even the fiercest storms. Enhanced security. In addition to weather protection, impact-resistant windows provide an extra layer of security against break-ins. The reinforced glass and sturdy framing make it extremely difficult for intruders to break through. Even with repeated attempts, the glass will not shatter in the way traditional windows do, deterring potential burglars. For Clearwater homeowners looking for peace of mind, impact-resistant windows are a reliable way to enhance your home's safety and security. Improved energy efficiency. With Clearwater's warm and sunny climate, keeping your home cool can be a challenge, especially in the summer months. Impact-resistant windows are built with energy efficiency in mind. Their multi-layered design provides excellent insulation, reducing heat transfer and helping maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. By minimizing the strain on your HVAC system, impact-resistant windows can significantly lower your energy consumption. Over time, this translates into noticeable savings on your monthly utility bills. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street, noisy neighbors, or construction zones, impact-resistant windows can help create a quieter and more peaceful home environment. The specialized glass construction blocks a significant amount of outside noise, allowing you to relax without unwanted disturbances. This added benefit is particularly valuable for Clearwater homeowners who want to enjoy the serenity of their coastal surroundings without being interrupted by external noise. UV protection. Clearwater's sunny weather is one of its greatest assets, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can take a toll on your home's interiors. Furniture, flooring, artwork, and fabrics can fade or deteriorate over time due to harmful UV rays. Impact-resistant windows are designed to filter out a significant portion of UV light, protecting your belongings from sun damage. This feature not only preserves the beauty and lifespan of your interior decor but also enhances your comfort indoors. Increased property value. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows is an investment that pays off by increasing your home's value. Homebuyers in Clearwater recognize the importance of hurricane protection, energy efficiency, and security. Installing these windows makes your property more attractive to potential buyers and can give you an edge in the real estate market. By investing in impact-resistant windows, you not only enjoy immediate benefits but also add long-term value to your home. Lower insurance premium. Many insurance providers offer discounts on homeowners' insurance premiums when you install impact-resistant windows. Since these windows reduce the risk of damage during storms and break-ins, insurers often reward homeowners for taking proactive steps to protect their properties. In Clearwater, where hurricanes are a seasonal concern, installing impact-resistant windows can lead to substantial savings on your insurance costs. Low maintenance and durability. Impact-resistant windows are built to withstand extreme conditions, making them incredibly durable and long-lasting. Unlike traditional windows, they require minimal maintenance over the years. The high-quality materials used in their construction resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Clearwater's humid and salty coastal air. This durability ensures that your windows continue to perform and look great for years to come, saving you time and money on repairs or replacements. Protect your Clearwater home with impact-resistant windows. Installing impact-resistant windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make as a Clearwater homeowner. From superior storm protection and enhanced security to energy efficiency and noise reduction, these windows offer unmatched benefits that improve your home's safety, comfort, and value. If you're ready to upgrade to impact-resistant windows, consult with a professional installer in Clearwater. They can help you choose the best options for your home, ensuring a seamless installation process and lasting protection. Don't wait for the next storm to remind you of the importance of preparation. Invest in impact-resistant windows today and enjoy the peace of mind they provide year-round.